Yeah guys, so basically guys, I want to show you how I was able to reach 9,000 USD, which is close to 10,000 USD from a 4,000 USD account. So basically guys, I deposited 4.5. As you can see, I took some losses today. So hence I'm still here. However, those were the losing trades, and now I'm swinging the winning trades. I'm maximizing on my wins and closing my losses. So if you can check my loss size here, you can see there's nothing more than 0.15. This is strictly proper risk management, right? I want to show you how I was able to achieve this swing trading and using highly profitable setups. Basically, the first one we had, this is Euro AUD. You can see I took my sell over there. So what I want to do guys, I want to switch the phone so you can see properly. This is where I took the trade. We had 2 touches from the trend, and the break outside this small trend gave us a retest. It looks also like a head and shoulder, and we knew from there that we're going to take a sell, and that's how we took this out. Now we have a stop loss below our profits to protect the profits so that we can possibly maximize these profits towards this level over there. So this is a swing trade on this one. You can see already the profits here are protected. Next up, we have Euro USD. You can see Euro USD. We're also protecting our profits. So basically, where you see the red line here, this is where we're expecting the market to stop. However, I was waiting for the market to basically push more. I have my stop loss protecting the profits where I was basically aiming to take target. And once we crossed, I'm maximizing and waiting for the market to see it can break below this structure and start selling towards this level. That's gonna allow me to maximize. From there, I knew we were gonna take ourselves. We're breaking below, and I was waiting to take profit here. Once it crossed, I put my stop loss at that level to let the market continue maximizing my profits, right? So next up, we have USD ZAR. USD ZAR, you can see this was a clear, beautiful bullish trend, guys. On this trade, I had a breakout retest, right? So that's how I took my entry on this one. You can see where the market breakout retest from there. Once we got the second retest, that's how I took my entry. So if I show you this on a more higher time frame, you can see that we're in an overall bullish trend, but we're in a small bearish trend. The moment we broke outside this bearish trend, we knew we were gonna go for buys. So this is the overall direction that we're anticipating. So last but not least, guys, this is my favorite pair. I was trading gold as well. Gold, we were also selling. We're selling hard on gold. Basically, I have my stop loss and take profit on my trading view. However, I'm about to update it, because what we have on gold, you can see we're in a clear bearish trend, right? This was our resistance. This is the support that we're seeing. So once the market got under this resistance, we knew for a fact that we had a first touch, second touch, third touch will be a strong confirmation because it's also under a bearish trend, confirming sells for us. So from there, you can see we took our trade from here because we knew the moment we crossed below this level that we were going for sells. You can see the arrow from there starts from there. So basically, we knew the market is going to continue for sells all the way down there, right? So right now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my stop loss below, and I'm going to put my take profit here and another take profit here and close target. So basically, that's how I was able to achieve this. And I want to teach you how exactly we did this. So guys, how was I able to take a loss? I want to show you same setup. Sometimes it might not work. Sometimes it does work. However, it works more times than it doesn't. I want to show you we had the same setup for Euro GBP. If I go to Euro GBP, guys, we had a breakout retest. It's a normal entry. Sometimes you want to take trades, however, they don't respect setup. You can see if I go to the 1 hour chart, you can see from here that this trade had a breakout. We're expecting the market to retest from here. Where you see the red line, this is our stop loss area. That's where I knew I was going to close the trades, and I closed them. I don't always have to close with the stop loss. I can close them manually like I have my stop loss and take profit on my trading view so that I can analyze more properly, right? So you can see that what happened on this trade. We're in a clear bullish trend. We're in an overall bullish trend, hence we're expecting overall buys. However, the market, when it got to this level, instead of having a breakout retest, it crossed below. Hence, you have to know, you have to always protect yourself. You must always have an area where you're going to close your losses.
It might look like a stop loss hunt.
It might look like a stop loss hunt. However, you must stick to your rules and make sure you are able to close losses, right? You can see I hit my stop loss and I closed my other trades manually as I was basically managing and see how I'm going to work around those losses. However, we must make sure we always cut our losses and maximize our profits. That's how we're able to achieve this. I want to teach you all about this in this lesson. Stay tuned. Let's get it.
Yeah. So what's happening, guys? Hi guys, welcome. First of all, this is the launch of FXGOATS Entertainment. Starting a new journey with you guys. What's gonna happen? I've been doing music since like 4 years ago. we love music. Like, I wouldn't say I'm a singer, rapper, or anything like that. I would say we're artists, and we're trying to come up with something that I think most of you guys can relate to. Make sure you stay tuned. We're actually flying out to Cape Town. We're trying to record like 5 songs. Let's go, man. Let's check it out.
Yeah. Let's go. Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Whoa, and you know that we be getting litty on the go.
Bro, you can kill that melody type shit. You can kill that, bro. You wanna sing? You can sing your heart out.
That's the vibe, sure.
Like, man, I'm tired as hell.
Tired as hell, my nigga.
Hi there everyone, this is FXGOATS, your mentor. Welcome back to our channel, guys. Before we start with the lesson, I'd like to firstly update you guys with our Forex journey as well. A lot has happened since we've been away from YouTube. Our other channel, FXGOATS, which is strictly Forex related content, has grown to such an extent that there is also new FXGOATS members involved now, which will pop up right here. This means that we are now providing you guys with even more Forex lessons and knowledge, including live sessions, backtesting approach, and even more. Basically, guys, we are trying to bridge the gap between poverty and success. So, without any further waste of time, let's start with the lesson. I opened this account on Sunday, which was the 29th of August. The broker I'm using currently is Trade 245 and it's FSC regulated in South Africa, and currently it's also a licensed broker, so it's trustworthy. I would recommend it for SA citizens, and if you're from outside of South Africa, you can use any broker of your choice. However, from our own experience, we do also recommend XNES as an international broker because it's licensed and also regulated. Make sure, guys, every time you want to look for brokers, always look for these two things, whether it is licensed and also regulated. Okay, I made a deposit of 2,000 rands, which is around $140 in the US. Basically, it's a small account. I want to show you guys how to grow a small account using proper risk management only. I'll also be applying the scalping trading method, which is a day trading approach for those who want to make quick cash. Okay, you can use the same approach on any currency pairs. However, I'll be trading indices this time. A video on currencies with a US dollar based currency is also coming, so stay in the lookout for that one. Okay, today is the 30th of August, which is a Tuesday, and I already have trades open. We usually don't trade on Mondays and Fridays because the market tends to get very choppy on those days, but sometimes when we do see nice setups, we do trade on those days because we are seeing higher probable setups. Let me put the phone in a less game view so that we see the market properly. Currently, I'm analyzing Nasdaq, which is also known as NAS 100. As you can see, currently we are in a bullish trend towards the upside, and I have catered for my levels, strong levels in the market. So now, as you can see, guys, we are from a resistance to the support, to the resistance again, and back to the support structure at the bottom. As you can see, guys, the market is actually respecting setups, and as it continues, I am now in our small bullish trend inside our overall big bullish trend. I do see that currently the market has also been respecting this small bullish trend that we have inside. So basically, overall, we are expecting a sell towards the downside, but currently we are in a small bullish trend and I'm scalping, so let's focus mostly in scalping trades. So right now, what we should look for should be an exit point, meaning that an area of reversal, a point whereby you're saying you want to make sure you are out before the market reaches it. Basically, from a resistance, I'm now looking for my support so that I'm able to exit before the market reverses back into buys. For more clearer charts and better analysis, make sure you switch to a line graph so they are able to cater for most points and you see the market properly. As you can see, we are seeing that we are in a beautiful bullish trend. So that's all we have for now, guys. The time is currently 11:30. Let's step away. And we're back again, guys. Let's check out the analysis. Looks like we're in profits. The market is currently respecting setup. I did put a small bullish trend toward the upside to see whether the market is going to break out and confirm my sells. As you can see guys, this is my analysis in the line graph, and that's all we have for now guys. So let's step away from the market. Deep profits, yes sir. Let's check the market. Looks like it respected our setup. We are approaching take profit at the moment. Broke below our support structure, confirming ourselves towards the downside. As you can see guys, it's a beautiful double top setup. Anyways guys, let's step away from the market. We back again guys. Let's check the account. I actually closed one entry and left the other one running, waiting for it to hit TP because it's a small account, and I'm trying as much as I can to make sure that I actually grow this account. We are about to hit our take profit, so let me step away from the market before it influences me again. As you saw with the first entry, let me step away. Take profit hit, yes sir. Wow guys, beautiful trade. Let's check the analysis one more time. Still looks like a sell, but we are down for today guys. Let's continue tomorrow. And we're back again guys. We are currently in losses. Let's look at the analysis. Today we're trading German 30 and Nasdaq. So this is the outlook of German 30. We are looking for sells because as you can see guys, we are in a bullish trend, but currently we just hit the resistance and we're seeing a reversal from the top going down towards the support. So basically guys, let me cater for my lines correctly so that I'm able to see our reversal point. And currently guys, this is our setup, a double top. So expecting sales towards the downside guys. Okay, so this is how we're looking German 30. Let's now go to Nasdaq. Nasdaq is actually less volatile than German 30. However, this is our setup guys. As you can see, we are still in our overall bullish trend. We are currently looking for sales towards the downside. The reason I'm actually using line chart is because I want to cater for the market properly. As you can see guys, I'm able to cater for most touches and also makes it easier for me to read the market. So currently we are at a bearish trend, a small bearish trend in an overall bullish trend. As you can see guys, I did place my take profit and my stop loss. Let's check the account. As you can see guys, this was my trade from yesterday and this is me today guys. Let's check how the account grows. And we're back again guys. Wow, we're in profits. Let's check out the analysis. Looks like German 30 is currently respecting setup. Now we're gonna have to wait for the market to complete our setup, either in a take profit or a stop loss. But in the meantime, it already looks good. Let's check out Nasdaq. Same thing on the Nasdaq guys. As you can see, we're now just gonna have to wait for setups to be completed. Let's step away from the market. And we're back again guys. Let's check the account. Wow, beautiful profits. As you can see guys, the market is currently respecting our setup. We are from a double top going towards our support structure at the bottom down there. So basically now we're gonna have to just wait for the volatility. As you can see, the market is respecting our setup. Let's go check out Nasdaq. As you can see guys, Nasdaq is actually less volatile than German 30. Hence I would say that for those who are trading small accounts, recommend Nasdaq, and then when your account is getting bigger, you can go to German 30. So this is all we have for Nasdaq for now guys. Let's step away from the market. We'll come back later. Yes sir, we're killing guys. Wow, I actually just closed one entry manually. The reason I'm actually closing my entries manually is because I'm waiting to take out my initial deposit. In that case, I'm able to trade this account with no emotions, knowing that my initial deposit is already out. This way I'm only trading with my profits, which is their money. So now guys, as you can see, German 30 has respected the setup. Let's check out Nasdaq. Nasdaq is still playing around guys. As you can see, I actually made a small bullish trend in our bearish trend here. I'm now actually waiting for the market to reverse back up. As you can see, it missed my take profit. I did place my take profit below my support structure because I saw that placing it before would be a small take profit ratio for me. However guys, I do know from this point the market can only retest from the top and only come back below. But if it does cross above, that's when I'm gonna wait for my stop loss to actually close my entry, because we do know that losses are part of Forex guys. Okay, let me delete that for now. I was actually just using that to confirm my entries. Okay, let's step away from the market for now. And we're back again guys. I actually closed some of my trades manually, reason being that we are in NFP week right now guys, so I do understand the market can get very choppy. Hence I'm trying the best that I can to make sure that I grow this account using proper risk management only, while also understanding that the market can get very choppy in this week. And we're back again guys. I actually just took a loss guys, and it's a big one. As you can see guys, sometimes setups do get invalidated. We are in NFP week. However guys, the comeback will always be stronger. Let's come back tomorrow. Yo guys, we back. I did say I'm trading tomorrow, but I just saw a beautiful setup right now. As you can see guys, let me paste the phone in a landscape mode. So guys, I'm actually doing my analysis in TradingView. The reason I'm also doing them in my MT4 app is because I want you guys to see the trades that I'm taking while actually recording this video. So I'm seeing that we are actually at a double top, and then we're seeing a beautiful setup towards the downside. Hence I'm thinking of entering actually more trades because the setup's looking more beautiful. I did say that guys, even in NFP week or Mondays and Fridays, when you see beautiful setups, you can still enter guys. So now I'm actually placing my take profit at 15,630. I'm also gonna place my take profit for the other entry too. I usually have my take profit and stop loss on my TradingView. I don't usually always place my stop loss to avoid stop loss hunts or actually the market stopping you out and then after going to your direction. So I'm actually trying to avoid that. And we're back again guys. Today is actually Friday. Yesterday I didn't trade. I forgot to update you guys on Wednesday that I actually hit my take profit on those non-sell entries. Today I made a withdrawal of my initial deposit, which was 2k. So starting next week guys, I'll be able to trade this account emotion free. Like I always say guys, remember to always pay yourself. As a trader, you must always pay yourself guys. Okay, let's come back again next week, same story. Let's do the most. We back again guys. New week, new goals, new opportunities. Let's check what happened last week. As you remember, I took out my initial deposit, meaning that I'm only going to trade the profits now. So today I'll be analyzing US30. I did say we don't usually trade on Mondays, but if we see higher probable trades, that's when we're actually going to trade. So currently I do see that also in US30 we have a bullish setup, as you can see guys, and it's been respecting our lines. So currently I'm going to finish my analysis. Do understand that I always finish my analysis on my TradingView, so I'm trying to make sure that my analysis on my MT4 app are similar to my TradingView. Hence I'm adding my support area here. This is called the support zone, so that I'm able to cater for most touches or most reversals in the market and understanding area of reversal basically. So currently I do see that in our small bullish trend we are also at a support area. So I'm going to add a support zone. The reason I like using the support zone is because unlike a support line, I'm able to cater for different types of touches, as you can see. So yeah guys, that is my analysis for US30, and it does look like a beautiful setup for a buy. So I think I'm going to start entering my trades. Like we always say guys, proper risk management. So my loss size is 0.01. The usual, as you know guys, since I'm trading a small account, I'm only going to use loss size 0.01 so that I'm able to follow proper risk management, which is part of my rules. All right, that is my trades for now guys. It is a Monday after all. Let's step away from the market. Okay guys, I want to make a quick update. Basically I want to put my stop loss and take profit, but while I'm at it, let me still enter one last trade. I just finished analyzing my TradingView app and I've just placed my stop loss and take profit areas, so I want to make sure I include them in my MT4 app because I'm going to be away for quite some time. I'm trading using the scalping method approach, so it's not always a must to place your stop loss on your MT4 app unless you won't be available to close your trades manually. Like for instance right now, since I'm going away to handle my other business ventures, I'm now placing my stop loss and take profit to protect my account from blowing. Okay guys, so now let me finish up and place my stop loss for US30. I am only trading US30 today because I don't want to have a lot of trades because it's a Monday. Let's step away from the market. And we're back again guys. Let's go check the account. Wow, we're in beautiful profits guys. Let me check the analysis. We actually about to hit our take profit guys. As you can see, the market has respected our setup. Wow guys, as you can see guys, USD is actually more volatile than Nasdaq. So wow, let me close one entry, secure one of my profits guys. I like doing this because I like to grow my small accounts. The aim is to always make sure you collect profits so that you are able to withdraw. Remember guys, the aim is to pay yourself. I already paid myself once. Let's step away from the market. And we're back again guys. Let's check the account. Wow, beautiful guys. The market has respected our setup. As you can see, it was a beautiful trade after all. Let me go check my history, check my take profit targets. As you can see guys, the account is growing right now, currently at 5k profits. And we're back again guys. As we saw today, the market is actually respecting setups, so it would be an opportunity for me to enter more trades, especially under Nasdaq since it's less volatile. So let me place the phone in a horizontal view. So now guys, as you can see, we are at the top. We have a small bullish trend toward the upside.
Just like last time, we do still see a sell opportunity towards the downside, guys. As you can see, guys, the Nasdaq analysis is looking very nice. Let me somewhat enter the trades, guys. You know the vibes. Lot size 0.01, proper risk management only. As you can see, guys, I do see that I have a support zone there, guys. However, the market, if it crossed below, it is a confirmed sell. I am actually entering before my confirmation, but we are at the resistance, so that's actually one of the confirmations right now. That is why I'm entering. So at the moment, I want to place my take profit. I like to place small take profits because I'm scalping. I don't want to take the overall direction. I just want to know where is the market going, and I'm only going to scalp the direction, not the whole direction, just like our hold on currencies, whereby we usually swing. Now let me finish up setting my stop loss, and that's all we have for now, guys. Let's step away from the market. And we're back again, guys. Okay, looks like we're currently in losses. Let me check the analysis. Looks like the market is still playing around. Let me put my phone into landscape mode. As you can see, guys, the market is giving us a few touches. Let me use line graph to see properly, guys. As you can see, the market is playing around. Okay, let me place my trend line properly so that it caters for most touches. I still do see that we are still under the setup. The market isn't broke out. Let me show you a trick we usually like to use to basically confirm ourselves. I would say that I would have a problem if the market bounces back from this support zone here and goes back up. Then I would know that I have a problem. But if it crosses below, then it would definitely confirm myself towards the downside. Okay, guys. So now let me analyze US30. Because Nasdaq is playing around. US30 is looking very beautiful, guys. Okay, very beautiful. I was actually waiting for it, so I'm actually entering my trades right now, guys, because I'm seeing a beautiful opportunity at this time and moment, guys. As you can see, Nasdaq, US30 and German 30 usually like to have the same setups. They are all currently giving us selling opportunities. As you can see, guys, let me place my support line properly, guys. Here's a few tips I want to give you while you're a trader. You have to understand, guys, the reason I'm able now to trade this account emotionless is because I took out my initial deposit and I've already paid myself, guys. That is a goal you should look forward to, guys. You must always look forward to paying yourself and only trading their profits, guys. That way it's easier for you to detach your emotions. So currently right now we are analyzing the last instrument for today, which is German 30. I'm only adding so many instruments or so many trades because I have already withdrawn my initial deposit. Currently, guys, I do see that we have ourselves here a resistance zone, guys. The market has failed many times to cross above, hence we are seeing that it's a beautiful high probable selling opportunity. Speaking of which, let me somewhat enter trades right now. As you know, guys, the loss size is always 0.01, proper risk management all the way, guys. As a trader, you must always make sure that you have rules that you follow in order for you guys to see progress as a trader. Okay, so now I want to place my stop loss and take profits, and then I'll be done for today. And we're back again, guys. Let's check the account. Wow, US30 take profit hit. Let's check the whole weekly account if the account is growing. Yes, sir. As you can see, guys, the account is now 6k. We started from 2k. We only paid ourselves once, which is taking out the initial deposit. And all trades are in profits, which means the market is respecting our setups. As you can see right here, guys, we are having sells, which is a movement towards the downside. I'm pretty sure some of you guys have realized that I have very small take profit and stop loss target placed here on my trades. Well, the reason is because I'm actually using the scalping trading method, which requires me to have such small targets due to my account being small. Don't get me wrong, I do see that overall our sell setup is valid and definitely a high probability trade. You would be wise to know that I actually have another account, a USD based currency account, and it's also one of my big accounts, which allows me to swing this trade, or in easier terms, to hold this trade until we reach the bottom. However, I'm not gonna do that on this specific account because of the rules based on this account. Psychology is one of the most important and also difficult factor to master as a trader. I'm pretty sure any trader out there that is struggling with consistency but knows how to trade, I can tell you straight right now, he or she doesn't always follow through on their rules. Simple as that, guys. Proper preparation prevents poor performance. As we like to say in South Africa, danko. So now we're back to the market, guys. Let's check the trades. As you can see, they're moving correctly. There's actually one thing I also want to show you guys. This is the app that I've been using, which helps me a lot with fundamentals. It's called CMBC. It's an app. You can find it on App Store or Google Store. I think it's available on both Android and iOS devices. Basically, you just need to create a watch list of the top 10 companies from the 100 Nasdaq companies, or probably even more now. But from my advice, you can just take a screenshot of my watch list right now and also do it from your device. And we're back, guys. Okay, as you can see, the market is still playing around today, guys. Let's check the analysis. So currently our German 30, we're gonna wait for the market to basically complete the setup there. Let's not forget Nasdaq, of course. It looks like the same thing is happening on the Nasdaq. USDT has already hit TP today. We are only waiting on these two instruments. Let me close one of the profits because German 30 is highly volatile under the Nasdaq. Hence, I'm leaving Nasdaq. As you see, guys, the account is growing. We are seeing some growth. The account is approaching 7K, and already today we clocked 1K. We step away. And we're back again, guys. Let's check the account. Ash. Looks like we lost our profits there for a moment. Let's check what's happening. Let me place the phone in a horizontal manner. Looks like the market is still playing around, guys. Let me switch into lines. Looks like we're actually waiting for a confirmation for a sell. Usually what I've realized with German 30 is that, guys, it likes to create double tops and double bottoms as a way of reversals. As you can see, guys, we already have a double top there. Just look at the market itself, guys. It likes to give us basically two confirmations before actually changing a direction. Hence, I can still say I can hold this sell. Also, as you can see, my stop loss is already above there, so we're safe. Let's check out Nasdaq. What's happening this side? The market might also be giving us a retest, or it could actually stop us out like last week Friday. You can really trust Nasdaq, man. After that loss, yo. But okay, guys, let's check what's happening. We do have our stop loss in place and take profit in place, so we're gonna have to just wait for the setup to confirm. I did say, guys, losses are part of Forex. If we are wrong, we are wrong. If we are right, it's a win to us. Okay, anyways, I can see that the market is less volatile today on those pairs, but USDT is still volatile, guys. After I saw it kill the first entry in the morning, let's check and see if we can find any other new opportunities. So let me place the market like that. Okay, guys, I still think that I can see an opportunity towards the downside. After a sell, I'm seeing a small retest. Yeah, I still think the market can still go down for a sell, guys. The setup looks clean, looks beautiful. Speaking of which, let me somewhat enter the trades, guys. Loss size 0.01. You know the vibes. You know the vibes, man. Loss size 0.01. Small take profit every time, guys. As you can see, I'm following my rules each and every time, guys. It doesn't matter whether my account is bigger now. Rules are rules. I'm going to have results from rules, because the reason is I want to make sure that my account can also survive my losses as much as it can take my wins, because I'm planning to trade this account basically for a long time. The aim is to keep on withdrawing on this account. You'll see as I trade this account, guys, every time I make big profits, I withdraw. So right now I want to set my take profit and stop loss targets, guys. Let me give you guys an account tour. I think it's time now. Man, when did I give one of these guys? It's been long since we've been off YouTube. For those who've been following us since long ago, man, shout out, guys. As you can see, the account has been growing, man. First loss, and then that was my first withdrawal, and then I basically made big profits so far. I'm waiting to kill today, and then I'm basically gonna make another withdrawal, guys. I'm gonna start paying myself again. As you can see, guys, the setups are already getting ready. Let's do the most. And we're back again, guys. Take profit hit, yes sir, yes sir. FXGOAT, baby. FXGOAT in a building. Take profit way, man. So the setup was respected, guys. As you can see, the market, guys, we killed. I'm actually speechless, guys. We're growing the small account, man. You can do it even with a small account. As you can see, guys, the account is growing nicely. I'm going to make a withdrawal now. That was my first deposit, first withdrawal. So now I'm going to make a second one, guys. Pay yourselves. And we're back again, guys. As you can see, I made my second withdrawal, guys. So basically I'm gonna leave only 5k every time, guys. I'm always going to trade this account, make profits, withdraw, keep 5k. This will be the procedure each and every week, guys. I already took out my initial deposit, so now I'm just going to continue playing with the profits continuously. So guys, I'm just going to pay myself each and every day and each and every week. Okay, so let's get it, man. We're back again, guys. Let's see what the market has. We made our first withdrawal. Now let's see what we can do with the profits, guys. What can we see? Which opportunities do we have in the market currently? I do still see a sell setup towards the downside. Speaking of which, guys, I think it's that time of the day. It's that time of the day, guys. Loss size 0.01. We're entering trades now, guys. We're entering trades. When you see an opportunity, you're basically fishing, man. You put your hook in the sea, and when you see a fish, pull out, you get me? So in our case, you enter trades. So now let's look for more opportunities in US30. Currently, we are also in a sell towards the downside. We've seen that it can still give us a sell momentum. Let's look at Nasdaq. We'll come back at that one, guys. Nasdaq, I'm also seeing sell set up towards the downside, but they look exhausted. I don't prefer a lot of trades on a small account. Since I just won, I don't like actually taking back my wins. But right now, I just saw a beautiful opportunity here. And it looks like it wants to play with me. So emotions, guys, I have to step away from the account. And we're back again, guys. Wow, okay, the direction is finally pulling through, guys. Okay, let me enter more trades. We've seen that the market is starting to respect our setup. So okay, currently, guys, I have to place my take profits now to see where will I exit, because I placed a lot of trades. As you can see, guys, the time is around 11, guys. Okay, guys, daily tasks are done. So we've seen the account is growing, guys. Let's check the weekly growth. Currently with 9k, guys, approaching 10k. Let's step away from the account. And we're back, guys. Wow, okay, looks like we are in profits now. The market is finally starting to respect our setups, guys. As you can see, from a resistance, we're going towards our support structure, but we're only scalping the trade, guys, not the whole trade, because we're scalping, guys, with growing accounts. This is the formula that we use every time, guys. Okay, now I think it's time to let the market run. We'll come back later, guys. And we're back again, guys. Wow, take profit here on Nasdaq. Yes sir, yes sir. Only German 30 left, guys. That's all we have for now, guys. Let me look at Nasdaq, guys. As you can see, the setup was very beautiful, guys. As you can see, the market respected the setup, guys. A strong push towards the downside, guys, and we actually ate this move 2 times while scalping, guys. So now German 30 is still playing today, which is kind of new, because usually Nasdaq and German 30 like to follow setup in the same direction. So anyways, guys, that's all for now. Let's step away from the account. And we're back again, guys. Let's check the account. Yeah. Okay, guys, let's see what's happening. Looks like the market is reversing a bit, but our stop loss is placed actually above the resistance zone up there, so it's not a problem. I think we've seen this setup before, guys. Remember the first time, especially German 30, guys. But currently I'm seeing that we are having a small bearish trend towards the downside, as you can see right here, guys. So currently we have 3 touches there. Okay, going to have 3 touches there. We already have 2 touches. So it's also important for you guys to learn on how to spot trends before they even appear. And that's all we have for now, guys. Let's step away from the market. And we're back again, guys. Yes sir, take profit hit. The market respected the setup, guys. I told you guys, German 30 and Nasdaq, they always follow each other, guys. Wow, the account is growing aggressively, guys, which is good. Let's see now if you can enter more opportunities. I'm seeing a sell opportunity right now, guys. So I'm entering last trades for today, guys. Basically I can still see that the market can reach the bottom down there, guys. Hence I also want to scalp the last trade. Now let me put in my stop loss and take profit targets and step away from the market. Before we leave, guys, let me give you an account tour and check what's happening with the account growth. So currently, as you can see, guys, I have collected 6k profits, and in a week I've basically collected 11. Now the account is growing aggressively. So guys, as you can see, that was my first loss, this was my first withdrawal, and this was my second withdrawal. Basically now waiting to make my third withdrawal, but only waiting for the market to basically complete our setup. Even if I take a loss, guys, it's important for you to use small loss size. And we're back again, guys. Looks like they still no take profit. the market is still playing around, guys. I did tell you guys I usually trade on my trading view, so my analysis here on MT4, they're not always up to date, but I try my best to update them. As you can see here, I'm actually seeing a formation of another bearish trend towards the downside, guys, confirming a sell towards the downside. It also looks like a formation of one of the most known formations, which is the bearish flag, which is actually supporting our sell setup right here, guys. So let me place it up for you and show you. And that's all for now, guys. We're just gonna have to wait for the market and let it run. We'll come back later, guys. And we're back again, guys. Let's check the setup. Wow, looks like the market has respected the setup, but looks like my TP is too far, so I'm going to secure my profits, guys. Remember, we always pay ourselves, guys. I did scalp and it was a beautiful trade, guys. Let me check the account now. It's time to pay ourselves, guys. It's time to pay ourselves. And we're back again, guys. Just made my third withdrawal right now. Let's check the account history. As you can see, we are currently on 12k profits, guys. The account is growing, guys, from a 2k deposit and withdrawing my initial deposit first. After that, guys, I've been trading emotion free, as you've seen, guys. Made my second withdrawal, and now this is my third withdrawal, guys. I keep paying myself, guys. Even tomorrow, guys, same story, same rules. Let's do the most. And we're back again, guys. New day, new goals. Today is actually Wednesday, guys, and already this week we've made 2 withdrawals. So I already entered trades under Nasdaq. Let me show you guys what's happening. This is our analysis. So currently I am still seeing a sell towards the downside. However, you do know that, guys, I can eat the whole sell at once because I'm actually scalping, and I'm scalping on a small account, which stipulates me to follow my rules. All right, I see that the setup can actually drop until we reach the bottom there, which is our strongest reversal point. Now let me enter more trades because the setup looks like a confirmed sell. So I'm entering more trades, guys. You know the vibes. Lot size 0.01. Now currently let's analyze German 30. What do we see from this side? We already see that actually, guys, German 30 dropped like we did say. So you have to understand that I actually ate this whole move on my other big account. However, on this small account, guys, I make sure that I do pay myself as much as I possibly can by scalping as much as I possibly can, guys. As you can see, the market actually broke below, which is beautiful, also confirming that our Nasdaq would also sell, because I did tell you guys Nasdaq and German 30 usually like to have the same or similar response regarding the market direction. However, guys, we do understand that if German 30 is selling, Nasdaq also has a high probability to sell as well. As you can see, guys, wow, I'm actually looking at it drop right now. Let me make sure that I place my take profit and my stop loss targets. So currently I'm only entering my take profit because I'm going to place my stop loss on my trading view, and I'll manually keep checking the market just in case the market reverses. I'm gonna close it myself manually because I won't be that busy. I will have time to keep on checking the account once in a while. So let me place the market in a landscape view. Looks like currently the market is getting volatile again. As you can see, guys, it is actually dropping while we're looking at it, and it's going towards our take profit, guys. Wow, this is beautiful. Remember, guys, don't let the market make you greedy. And I know a lot of you guys would like to scale in such opportunities. However, you can apply it on this specific account because this one has specific rules since the small account, guys. Hence I'm saying, if you feel like you want to enter more trades, make sure you open another account which you're gonna follow different types of rules on that specific account so that you have those results on that account. And also this one, you follow its rules and you're gonna have the rules that I'm having right now. Okay, guys, basically this is what we have for now. Let's step away. And we're back again, guys. Wow, take profit, guys. Looks like the market respected our setup. As you can see, guys, the account is growing. So basically right now the market is actually reversing back towards the upside because we just came from our support right now. As you can see, guys, the market is actually showing us that it might go back up. As you can see, guys, we are actually in a small bearish trend, and from our support we're actually planning to go towards our resistance. However, guys, I am seeing that the market is creating a setup, so I'm gonna wait for confirmations. For now, let's just step away from the market. We'll come back later. And we're back again, guys. I think I missed the setup, guys, because I was gone for quite some time. Let's check the analysis. Damn, as you can see, guys, the market did respect our setups. However, this does happen. You shouldn't cry if you see a miss setup. You should be happy that you're actually correct in your setup. So right now, let's try to check what does USDT have for us. I do understand that USDT and Gem30 and Nasdaq usually like to have similar, if not the same setups. So I do understand that we might also have a probable buy under our USDT right now. So currently I'm trying to make a trend now. I'm seeing that we might have a small bearish trend towards the downside, and we just came from a support and we are at the resistance. So if the market actually crosses above my resistance line here that I'm trying to build, then it will be a confirmed buy for me. I would enter more trades under USDT, which would be my buys. I think I'm gonna start entering trades right now, guys. The setup looks ready. You know the lot size, guys, 0.01. I am entering my buy opportunities under my US30, as you can see right here, guys. So those are our first trades for today, guys. US30 buys. Now let's look for more opportunities under Gem30. We do know that these three instruments usually like to follow each other. At the time of moment, I can see that we actually have one of stop loss hunts, as you can see, guys. That wick down there that I'm covering right now, that is actually what the market like to do. This is actually the reason why I don't like placing my stop loss. As you can see, guys, because of such movements, the market actually just hunt our stop loss and then go back into a direction. We are now seeing bullish momentum in the market, guys, meaning that we might see an opportunity of entering buys right now under Gem30 as well. So speaking of which, I think I'm gonna somewhat enter trades, guys. Lot size 0.01 by Gem30. So currently today I'm only trading two instruments, which is Gem30 and Nas30, guys. Both of these instruments are volatile, hence I make sure that I'm actually starting to trade them when my account is at 5k than at the beginning when it was just 2k. I only started entering them when I saw that the account is actually starting to grow and it can also survive pullbacks of such big movements. And that's all for now, guys. Let's step away from the market. And we back again, guys. Wow, take profit hit Gem30 and Nasdaq, guys. Those two, they don't waste time, guys. Let's check US30. It looks like we missed our take profit, guys, and from this point on the market could possibly reverse, but we do see that it's actually still playing around. So let me just somewhat close my trades because I'm done for today, guys. I just paid myself. I'm also thinking that I'm gonna make a withdrawal because I like to make a withdrawal usually that's above 2.5 so that I continuously pay myself. Today is Wednesday, guys, and that was my first withdrawal. This is my second withdrawal. This is my third withdrawal, and today I'm gonna make my fourth withdrawal, guys. The account is growing. Let's go withdraw, guys. We'll come back later. And we're back again, guys. As you can see, I made my withdrawal. We actually make 3k today and I withdrew all of it. As you can see, I only left 5k. So basically that will be my base amount each and every day, guys. Every day my aim is to actually trade and make a withdrawal. That's how I can continuously keep growing myself, and that's how I can continuously pay myself, guys. That is the strategy that I want you guys to start applying right now. And that's all for now, guys. Let's step away from the account. And we're back again, guys. Let's check the account growth. As you can see, guys, currently the account is at 16k. So now let's look for more opportunities into the market. We're starting with Gem30, guys. Currently it looks like Gem30 did break below our support structure there. We just only scalped buys the other day, and now we are looking for more bullish opportunities because I can already see that we just came from a support and going towards a resistance, guys. After a breakage of our small bullish trend, we could expect a retest, of which it would be a bullish movement. So as you can see, this is what we have at the time of moment, and I think the setup is ready, guys. Speaking of which, let me somewhat enter my buys. Lot size 0.01 Gem30, guys. You know the vibes, man. That's how it is, guys. And currently that is only the risk I'm applying on this account. Proper risk management all the way. And we're done with Gem30 now. So let's look at US30, which is another instrument, guys, an index. So now currently I do see that we are at the bottom, which is at a support. So now let me fix my analysis. As you can see, So basically guys, I don't know if you realized, but it's actually been 2 weeks now since I've been trading this account, and already I have made 4 withdrawals guys. The moral of this lesson, or basically guys, the lesson of today is that you need to have an account whereby it pays you guys. You need to have an account whereby you are a scalper. Firstly, you take out your initial deposit, and then after that you leave only your profits guys, which is their money, and continuously guys, each and every week you just pay yourself guys. That way this gets to be an account that gets to fund your other accounts, whereby on those other accounts you can choose to risk, you can choose to swing, you can choose basically to do whatever you want with their money guys, not your own initial investment. Let's get back to the market guys. As you can see, I'm actually entering my buys now. USDT looks ready for bullish movements guys, and right now I'm actually trying to place my stop loss and take profits because I won't be available to basically monitor my trades. And that's all for USDT guys. Lastly, we're going to analyze Nasdaq. I want to enter all of them today because I did say before guys, German 30, USDT and also Nasdaq usually like to follow the same setups. Like for instance, if right now Nasdaq is buying, the other two are most probable to also buy. However guys, do understand we are not the market makers, we only follow the market. This doesn't mean that the market will always follow those correlation pairs guys. Sometimes it can, most of the times it can, but sometimes it won't. Because why? There's no 100% winning strategy. Anyways guys, I'm seeing beautiful opportunities for buys here under Nasdaq. Let me somewhat enter my buys right now. You do understand that guys, Nasdaq is less volatile than the other 2 instruments that I've entered today, so it's not really a problem for me to have so many trades under a 5k account. I am still following proper risk management as the lot size is still 0.01. And that's all for now guys. Let's step away from the account. And we're back again guys. As you can see, wow, we in profits guys, all trades. Let's check German 30. As you can see, it's highly volatile than all of them, so I placed an even more tighter take profit and stop loss target than the other ones. Let's check US 30. As you can see guys, my take profit here is actually a bit higher because it's not as volatile as the first one, and Nasdaq is almost about to take profit. And as you can see guys, the market is respecting setups on all trades. This means that we are on our winning streak guys. It's been 2 weeks already. Do understand that sometimes you do have losing streaks, but because we always use proper risk management, it's not a problem. Anyways guys, that's it for now. Come back later. And we're back again guys. Wow, take profit hit on German 30 and Nasdaq. Let's check US 30, the only one left. Let's look at the analysis. Looks like it actually missed our take profit there. Possibly it could reverse, seeing that we are at the resistance there, but however I'll keep monitoring it and see how it goes. This is what we have currently for US 30 right now guys. Let me go check other instruments like Nasdaq. So currently we do see that we kill with Nasdaq, and then let's see with German 30. The market was respected beautifully so, as you can see guys. Okay, that's what we have. Let me give you guys an account tour, and currently as you can see we have 18k profits. Our first initial deposit was 2k. That was our first withdrawal, and then second withdrawal, we went to a third withdrawal, our fourth withdrawal, and currently we're still making the last one after we hit take profit on US 30 guys. Okay, step away. And we're back again guys. Work never stops. It's been a beautiful journey as you can see. Wow, okay, we are actually in big profits now than before. Looks like the market is still playing around. Let me secure one entry and leave one running. I like to do that so that I keep on growing my account. So yeah guys, that's how much we have for now. Let's step away. And we're back again guys. Let's check the market. Still running. Take profit hit just like that. Yes sir, yes sir guys, we just hit our take profit in front of your eyes guys. Wow, okay, currently we made 5k. We just actually doubled the account guys using proper risk management only. Wow guys, now it's time to pay ourselves guys. And we're back again guys. We just took out the withdrawal, as you can see guys, the whole amount 5k. So basically as you can see guys, we actually took out a whole 18k withdrawal from 20k profits. from 2k to 21k, guys, using only proper risk management. This is how to grow a small account, guys, in a proper manner. Do understand that if I had taken losses in this journey, I would still have my account because I never risked all of it. Okay, guys, that's how we do it, man. Let's step away from now, guys. We'll come back tomorrow. And we're back again, guys. New day, new goals. Today is actually Friday, guys, so I'm trying to see if I can find opportunities. I feel like I can enter more trades today because I've already made enough withdrawals from this account. Speaking of which, guys, let me somewhere enter loss size 0.01. I'm seeing a beautiful buy opportunity. As you can see, guys, it's that time of the day. USDT is our first trade today, and today is a Friday, guys. You do understand that we don't actually always prefer trading on Fridays. However, in these circumstances, this has been a winning streak. This means that the market is actually respecting setups right now, which is in our favor. So right now, guys, as you can see, I'm actually placing my stop loss and take profit targets. So yeah, guys, let's now go to analyze German 30 and see if we can find any opportunities today. Currently, I do see that we are at the resistance. However, I'm not seeing the market properly. Let me place it into a landscape mode. So I do see that actually my analysis are not up to date. As you know, guys, I analyze on TradingView. So now let me try to actually copy my analysis from my TradingView and do the same here on my MT4 app. The reason I always analyze on TradingView, guys, is because I get to see the market properly, because TradingView has a lot of resources and tools that can help you read and understand the market better. So it's very important to always analyze on TradingView so that you get to see and read the market with more understanding. Okay, so currently, guys, I'm trying to make a bearish trend in our overall bullish trend. Basically, what I'm looking for now is that I see currently we are starting to go bullish. However, I want to see how long will my bullish trade be. So seeing that we are in a bearish trend, I can see that the market can actually break above our resistance there and continue pushing towards the upside. Hence allows me to now see that I can still enter buying opportunities. USDT and Nasdaq is also bullish, which confirms my buys. So let me start entering my buys, guys. You know the vibes. Loss size 0.01. So as you can see, guys, it's actually top of the morning and it's a Friday today. I did say that we don't trade a lot on Fridays. However, if you do see higher probability setups, then that's an opportunity for you to actually trade. All right, so now let me set my stop loss and take profit targets. It really has been a beautiful 2 weeks, guys. The account has grown aggressively, so as you can see, guys, make sure that as a trader you always pay yourself. Okay, anyways, I'm done for now. Let's step away from the account. We'll come back later. And we're back again, guys. Wow, most trades are in profits. Let's check USDT first. We are not so far from take profit, guys. We do see that the market did go bullish. So let's check Nasdaq. Nasdaq is actually about to hit take profit, guys. That is beautiful. What's delaying German 30? Okay, looks like it's just starting out. Okay, let me step away from the market. We back again, guys. Just a quick look. Okay, take profit here on Nasdaq. Let's check USDT. Okay, missed take profit, but about to get there. Let's look at the analysis for Nasdaq. As we can see, guys, it killed. Let's step away for now. And we back again, guys. Wow, take profit hit on Nasdaq and USDT. Only German 30 left, guys. Let's look at the analysis for USDT. Beautiful, guys. The market actually did kill the setup. Let's check at Nasdaq. How far is it now? Okay, looks like it's preparing a sell. We killed with the buys, guys. Now what's the whole up with German 30? Looks like with German 30, guys, we actually missed our take profit. And seeing that Nasdaq is actually starting to prepare sells, let me just somewhat close this trade. We're done with the bullish movement for now. These were our first morning trades. Beautiful, guys. Now I think it's time to give you guys an account tour. How far are we right now? Currently, we just clocked 23k profits, guys. As you can see, remember from a 2k deposit, we grew this account, guys. It's been a beautiful journey, as you can see, guys. Now it's time to pay myself, guys. Let me go make my last withdrawal. And we're back, guys. As you can see, I made my last withdrawal. So basically, guys, I made a 20k withdrawal. And you remember, guys, my initial deposit was actually 2k. That's when I started this account, and this was my first loss, and then this was the first withdrawal, which was taking out the initial deposit, and then now this was actually my second withdrawal. down to my third withdrawal, and then now made my fourth withdrawal, and then continued, made my fifth one. This one is my last withdrawal, guys, and this is where I'm stopping the account right here, guys. And as always, I leave only 5k to continue scalping the market each and every week. Same rules, same strategy, and same approach. Nothing changes, guys. Basically, this is one of our approaches towards the market. In order for you to win trading forex, guys, you need to be psychologically inclined in such a way that you can never lose discipline. And just like that, guys, you actually cracked the system. For instance, this account has its own rules and procedures, as you saw me apply them from start to finish. I basically paid myself 6 times in only 2 weeks on this single account, guys. Never change a working concept. If you feel like trying out new things, you can simply use those funds that you've withdrawn and then try out on a different account. Try and make rules around that account and only follow them. I can tell you, you will find success. Anyways, guys, I'm ending the video right here. This is just part 1 to show you guys that this is a working system. Part 2 of this account is coming again, where I continue where I left off currently right now. Stay tuned, guys. This is FXGOATS, your mentor, signing out.